Hey everyone! Today we're talking about something straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Jetson One, a personal flying vehicle you can actually buy right now. So what exactly is it? The Jetson One is a single-seat electric aircraft that takes off and lands vertically, no runway needed. It's built by a Swedish-Italian company called Jetson, and they describe it as a Formula One racing car for the sky. It has 8 powerful electric motors, it can hit speeds of up to 63 miles per hour, and it folds down narrow enough to fit in your garage. Now here's where it gets really interesting. In the US, you don't need a pilot's license to fly it. It qualifies under FAA ultralight regulations, which means almost anyone can get in and take to the skies. And Jetson has made sure that's actually safe. The aircraft has hands-free hover, so if you let go of the controls, it just stabilizes itself automatically. It also has terrain tracking, obstacle avoidance using LiDAR sensors, and even a ballistic parachute for emergencies. The whole frame is built like a race car safety cell, made from aluminum and carbon Kevlar. Flight time is about 20 minutes per charge, which honestly sounds short. But think about it, this is pure recreational flying. Imagine buzzing over a field or cruising along a coastline for 20 minutes in your own personal aircraft. That's extraordinary. As of 2026, the Jetson One costs $148,000. And here's the kicker. They're already sold out through 2027. You'd be ordering for 2028 delivery right now. Around 100 units are being delivered this year alone, including one to Palmer Luckey, the founder of Oculus. The future of personal flight is here, and it's called the Jetson One.